Hi teens, this is Miss Helen, the Youth Services Coordinator. We hope that you're having a wonderful summer, and we're really excited to show you this new take and make that we're going to have available for you here at the library. All right, so this time we're going to be doing flower pipe cleaner rings and fireworks pipe cleaner rings. Each take and make kit is going to have a red, white, and blue pipe cleaner for the fireworks ring and three solid colors and a green one. There'll be a green pipe cleaner in each bag, and then one color will be in 3 pipe cleaners. All right, so you'll be able to make one flower and one fireworks ring. All right, let's get started and see how this is going to go. This is a really fun and easy craft, and it's very pretty too. So first things first, we're going to take our one color of the pipe cleaners. You might get pink, yellow, orange, blue, any number of colors might be in your bag. All right, and that's going to be to make your flower. So we're going to go about 4 inches down on the pipe cleaners, and we're going to twist them together. And then we're going to go over a few inches, and then we're going to twist another 4 inches of the pipe cleaner together. Now that's about an approximation. These pipe cleaners are about 12 inches long. So then you're going to pick out which finger you want to have your ring on. So I'm going to choose my ring finger, and then you're going to twist the pipe cleaners to make the ring loop. You don't want to do it too tightly though. That way you'll be able to slide it on and off. Next, you're going to spread out each end of the pipe cleaner. So you're going to have 6 different pieces spread out. We'll slide the ring off our finger, and then we're going to curl it in a very tight spiral towards the center. This craft is so much fun that you could make one ring for each of your 10 fingers if you wanted to. If you have pipe cleaners around the house, it's a super fun craft. You could even decide to do a multicolored flower if you use different colored pipe cleaners. But I'm doing solid colored flowers for us, and that's what'll be in your take and make bag as well. All right, so we're going to have 6 of these spirals. 5 of these are going to be flower petals. And 1 of these spirals is going to be the center of our flower. There we go. Next, we're going to take our green pipe cleaner, and we're going to wrap it around underneath the flower petals, making sure it's even, and then we're going to twist it 2 times. And we're going to coil it just like we did the flower petals. This is going to be the leaves on our flower ring. So the other really nice thing about using the pipe cleaners is that you can have your flower petals be in different shapes, and even your leaves. I'm going to give this one a bit of a point, and the other side as well. And there we have our flower ring. Very nice. We're going to do pretty much the same thing for our fireworks ring. We're taking the red, white, and blue pipe cleaners, and we're going to twist it about 4 inches from the end, just like we did for our flower. And then I'm going to do a little space and then twist the other end as well. I'm going to use my ring finger again. I'm going to twist the 2 ends together to make a loop. I'm going to bend these back in different directions. It's like a giant firework right now. Okay, but I'm going to slide it off my finger, and I'm going to start curling it into a spiral again. Okay, there's one. There's 2. My favorite fireworks are the ones that have 2 different sets of flashes go off with them. I'm very excited for our Columbus 4th of July holiday celebrations. Fireworks are pretty, but they can be very loud as well. I like to see them from a little bit farther away so I don't hear the boom. One more to go. All right, we've got our loop and we've got our fireworks. So we're going to do something similar where we kind of flatten them out like we did with our last one. And you can keep it kind of looser like this, or you can keep it really tight. When it's like this, you can keep them all further out, or you can still have it coil all the way in. You can rearrange it a little bit so that the red and the white goes in between. And there we have our fireworks ring. Have fun, everyone. We hope you enjoy this craft, and we'll see you next time. Be safe and happy reading.